Jaws are flowing just like a river. Sister comfort, oh help me Lord, has come. We are bound thus forever. That's why I want to tell you right now. It make our trusting heart is on. Oh yes, it's one thing I want to say right now. Blessed quietness. Oh yes it is. Holy quiet. Oh help me Lord. It's what assurance. Oh help me Lord. In my soul. Life's stormy sea. All right, I know Jesus speak to me and up your Lord will see to wrong. Oh yeah. By the grace of God, oh, come